First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. Next, I'm using Elegel Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to contour my cheek and contour my nose too. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlight. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set my highlight and bake as well. Next, I'm using this CoverGirl Ebony bronzer to set my contour and bronze my cheek and my forehead. Next is brow time. I'm using Davis Brow Pencil in color 5, number 3 for my brows. Davis Brow Pencil in number 3. Next is eyeshadow time. I'm using this light red for my crease as my transition color, transition color, whatever. Next, I'm using a dark red for my outer crease and my inner crease and blend it into my crease. Next, the eyeshadow is too the red. I want to darken it a little bit, so I changed the eyeshadow palette and I'm using this dark brown shade for my outer crease and my inner crease. I'm doing the same thing to darken it a little bit, darken that red shade a little bit. Perfect. Now here's my lid. For my lid, I'm using this Gilter shade on the eyeshadow palette. It's a Gilter, kind of ox blood, dark red Gilter. I'm using it for my eyelid. It's a dark red, kind of ox blood, but red in real life. But it's not showing red in camera, but it's red, kind of ox blood red, like that. I'm using it for my eyelid, glittery eye. Then I'm adding that dark brown shade more. I'm adding a little bit for my outer crease to blend the edges. Darken it a little bit. Next is eyeliner. Next is I'm using this kajal from Zaron Cosmetics. It's that black kajal. I'm using it for my waterline. Next, I'm using that dark brown eyeshadow shade I use on my outer crease for my lower lash line to blend the kajal too. Next is mascara. Next is false lashes. I'm wearing my false lashes now. Next is blush time. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup to blush up the cheek. Next is highlighter time. I'm using this highlighter from Younger Beauty. It's their Candid Glow highlighter in the shade Hawkish. I'm using it to highlight my face. Next is lips. I'm using these two lipstick. One is a lip stain, then the other one is a lip gloss. The lip stain is from Zico Cosmetics. It's the Kiss Proof matte lip stain in the shade Don't Tell. Then the lip gloss is from Iman Cosmetics. I've forgotten the name I've peeled off, but it's from Iman Cosmetics. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you very much. God bless you.